Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO. Today I'm happy to be showcasing a building video. As you can see, this is 6th Avenue in Oakland. You have a mangrove tree right here. We have multiple units in this building available right now. They're one bedrooms, studios, one bedrooms. But what a beautiful building. Immaculate cared for yard. Let's go through the gate. Nice brick threshold. We're just going to walk around. You can see the individual unit videos by going to our site if they're still available. Again, this is shot in March of 2021, so they may be rented. We typically rent things within 30 days if you're looking. One of the things I like about this building is it's on a street that's been blocked off, so there's no thoroughfare here, so it definitely creates a very quiet environment. There's a walkway that goes all the way around, and certain units have parking, so contact the agent to see if the unit that you're interested in has a unit. This is really nice, this big old-fashioned patio here that you can sit and enjoy on a nice warm summer day. Of course, this is California, and we're pretty close to the middle of winter right now, so in March. So if you're interested in this building, please contact ReLISTO. Link is below, and we're happy to show this property to you. All right, cheers, bye-bye.